Getting married, getting divorced, having a kid, and buying or selling real estate are some of the top stressful things that someone will have to experience in their life. I know I'm in a stressful job, but it's part of my job to make this experience as smooth as possible, but there's some things that come up along the way that we just have to deal with. So here are some things that'll either make you laugh or cry, but hopefully they never happen to you. A brother and sister are suing each other, and they live under the same house. Can you imagine how awkward family dinners are? A buyer gets a clear to close. They are very excited, except the day before closing, the buyer quits their job, and that was right before the lender does the verification of employment. So, no job, no loan. The buyers want to sign an affidavit of name at closing, and comes to find out the wife was previously married, not once, but 4 times. I've been in real estate for 12 years, and not one transaction is the same. So we will tackle things together as they come. So don't stress. Let me take it on for you. Kristen Jurevich with Intero.